In this video right here, I'm showing you guys how you can delete your Reddit account. So it's very simple and easy. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and now let's start with the tutorial. So if you're using a PC, you can follow the procedure. It's quite similar. On here, I'm using a mobile app. So to delete our account on Reddit, all we need to do is just tap on here, move to our settings like this. So if you're on a PC, move to your settings. On here, you just move to your profile like this. Just ignore all these things here. Now move to your profile. Good. So our profile is fully here. What we need to do is just scroll down here, scroll. And let me drag this on top here. You can see delete your account. So when you tap on that, you enter your password and you're good to go, just like on other platforms. Simple as that. So let me tap on that. Good. So you just tap on yes, you want to delete, and they're saying when you delete your account, it's going to be permanently removed from Reddit. Your post and everything are going to be removed, something like that. So that's it on how you can delete your account on Reddit. Simple and easy. If you're new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, kindly let me know in the comment section of this video. I'm going to do well to give you an answer on that. So that's it. Once again, peace.